Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the Google Sheet workflow. And in this video, I'll be explaining that how you can insert an image on your Google Sheet and the similar process on Excel offline version. Okay, so for the Google Sheet, it's simple. You just need to click on the cell where you want to insert the image. Click on insert, go to image, select insert image in a cell. Then it will either ask you for the Google Drive, or you can always open your folder in your drive and drag the file on this box, and that's it. That will directly import the image in. I'll show you another one. So I'll click on this box. I want to insert an image from my system, my PC. So I'll open the folder wherever the file is located. Just drag the file on this whiteboard, and the image is inserted. This is one way, and this is the simplest way. This is how you can drag and drop the image for a particular cell. Similarly, for this one, click on the cell. If the image is already there, doesn't matter. Just go to the cell image, insert image in image from a cell. Now you can either select your Google Drive if the file is there, and select that file, or you can always click on browse, and it will navigate you to the folder from wherever you would like to upload the file. So as soon as you select the file will get sorted, sized, cropped if needed, and it will not distort the file format, and it will show you the proper formatting. Now I have downloaded the same file as Excel, and I'll show you that thing on the Excel version now. So you can see this is Excel version and the original file. Now I have to pick the corner and drag and drop to size the image on a cell, over a cell. And once there are two images, it's difficult to align those as well. Though there are some controls which you can always use, like keep the shift button clicked, pressed, so that the file, the format won't get distorted. So you can see if I leave the shift button and try to enlarge the file image, it will distort the image like this. But if I'll press this shift button and try to resize, it will always keep the aspect ratio, so the file will not get distorted. But again, the alignment of the file is also there. You can go to the shape format, select align, center align, and now this is aligned. As I'm using Office 365, I have more control in it, but in the older version, not 365, you might not have all the options available. So how you can do the same thing, uploading an image into the cell, you can click on insert image picture. Now, if you are seeing this option of place in a cell, that's great. Otherwise, you will have the other option if you are not with the updated. So, and this will upload the file on the selected cell, but it will not resize the image within that cell, and you have to resize it manually. Again, if you have the Office 365, you can always click on the cell, click on insert. This is the same process as in Google Sheet. Place in a cell this device, and I'll click the image now. You can see the image has been inserted within a cell, and it has been resized accordingly. So the file format will not get distorted, and you don't have to manage, like you don't have to resize or sort or line. And if you want to remove the image, you can simply click delete, and that's it. Similarly, for the other cell, place in a cell this device, or maybe if you want to use any other options. So let me select this chart maybe. You can see all the dashboard, the whole dashboard has been inserted within a cell. And this will resize itself automatically if you will resize the cell as well, but we are not going to do that. So these are the two steps. For the latest Office Excel, it is easier because it is similar to the Google Sheet, because the option to insert the image in a cell was initially from Google, and then now it has been adopted from the Microsoft, but in the latest version only. If you have an older version, you won't have that access. So these are the two steps. Click on the cell, go to insert image, select an image. You can either select from drive or drag and drop and this and that. So this is simpler and click easier. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. If you have any question about it, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.